Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial, I will show you that how to edit photos like Brandon WOELFEL, the famous Instagram photographer. Let me search for his Insta account. Here it is. This is Brandon's account and his work. He has 3 million followers on Instagram. Today I will show his method of editing photographs, not exactly like him, but it will be much more relevant to his work. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the image I'm going to work on it. First of all, open this image on Camera Raw directly. Here follow my steps which will give you that kind of tone on your image. For every image the value varies differently. So don't copy exact values as mine, it might be different for your image, but apply this method to get such kind of effect. Once you are done, click Open Image. See the before and the after. Now go to File and open this bouquet image. I will give the link of these images in description. Drag it to the underwork image. Change the blending mode to screen. Now press Ctrl plus T and hold Shift plus Alt key and adjust the size of bouquet image. Here are some sharp edges. We will remove it by using eraser tool.
Oh my bad,
Ignore that. Now press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus T and adjust it where you want. Again, remove the edges by using eraser tool. Now create a new empty layer. Select the brush tool and also select the color. Make brush bigger using bracket keys. Now darken this layer below and reduce the opacity a little bit. Create another empty layer. Change the color to pure white. Make brush smaller using bracket keys. Change the blending mode to soft light. Double-click on the bottom layer and go to Image and Adjustments and Brightness and Contrast. Now see the before and the after photo. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. For any doubt, comment below in comment section. Peace.